Managing time off for a small team shouldn't mean digging through emails and sticky notes. The PTO and absence coverage tracker from Ardent Workshop puts every absence in one place and shows you the coverage problems before they land. Let's take a look. It starts with a single log. For each absence, you pick the person and the leave type, enter the dates, and set a status. The tracker counts the working days for you and works out whether it draws down someone's paid time off. Log it once, and every other tab updates on its own. The Balances tab keeps each person's paid time off current, their allowance, what's approved, what's still pending, and what's left. Pending requests are held back, so a booked trip never looks free, and a flag calls out anyone running low or booked over. Now you can say yes to a request with confidence. Here's what most trackers miss: coverage. The team calendar shows who's off day by day and counts how many people are on duty. Set the minimum you need, and it flags every day that drops below it. In this example, 4 people off on Thursday leaves just 4 on duty, a clash you can now fix a month out instead of the morning it happens. The year overview pulls it all together: a usage bar for every person, absence days by type, and the figures that matter, like who's taken the most and who's running low. It's the whole year at a glance, and there's nothing to fill in. Prefer Google Sheets? The download includes a one-click, make a copy link to a ready-made native version, with every drop-down formula and color already set up. No importing, nothing to rebuild. And it works just as well in Excel or LibreOffice. Everything is built on your team. Put in your people, their allowances, and the minimum you need on duty. Then adjust the leave types to match your policy. There's even room to add people as you grow, with no rebuilding required. It's one file you own outright. No per seat fees, no monthly rent. Find the PTO and absence coverage tracker at ardentworkshop.com or on Etsy. Own it, don't rent it, and never lose track of who's off again.